Today, I'm challenging myself by cutting down my sugar intake with these simple hacks. Can I do it without going crazy? Let's see. Reducing sugar intake is a step towards a healthy living. Consuming high amounts of sugar is associated with a lot of health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. By cutting down on sugar, we can significantly reduce the risk of developing these conditions and improving our overall health and well-being. So, why do many people struggle to cut down on sugar? One major reason is that sugar is addictive. The moment we stop consuming it, our body starts craving it, making it difficult to resist the temptation. Another challenge is that sugar is hidden in many foods that we consume today, from bread to sauces, and making it hard to track and to avoid. Furthermore, social gatherings and special occasions often concentrate on sweet treats, making it difficult to resist the pressure to indulge. Lastly, quitting sugar can result to withdrawal symptoms. Withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, which can be uncomfortable and even painful. One common misconception people have is that sugar is often common in desserts and sweets. However, many seemingly healthy foods are packed with sugar. For example, many yogurts contain more sugar than even a can of soda. Even some so-called healthy granolas can have as much sugar as a candy bar. This highlights the importance of reading labels carefully before consuming its contents and being aware of the amount of sugar we are consuming. So, how can we overcome these challenges and effectively cut down on sugar? Firstly, becoming more mindful of the amount of sugar we are consuming is crucial. One simple hack is to start reading labels carefully. Check the ingredient list and the amount of added sugar that it contains, even the nutritional facts of a particular product that you are purchasing. Another hack is to substitute refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey, and you can also try planning your meals in advance, which will help you avoid relying on sugary drinks and snacks. Another effective hack is to rely on protein. Eat more protein and healthy fats. These foods can help you keep full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of sugar cravings. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water can also help reduce sugar cravings. By incorporating these hacks in our daily lives, we can significantly cut down on sugar and start experiencing the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. One hack that has been instrumental in helping many individuals to cut back on sugar is by adding more whole nutrient-dense foods to their diet. This approach is simple but yet powerful. By filling up on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains, we are less likely to crave sugary snacks and drinks. This approach also helps to crowd out added sugars from our diet, making it easier to stick to our goals. When we focus on adding whole foods, we are not only cutting down on sugar, but we are also providing our bodies with nutrients they need to thrive. This hack is especially effective because it's not about deprivation or restriction, but it's about nourishing our bodies with the right foods. By making this simple shift, we can experience a significant reduction in sugar cravings and start enjoying the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we've shared some simple yet effective hacks for reducing sugar intake, from reading labels to focusing on whole nutrient-dense foods. These tips can help you cut down on sugar and start experiencing the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you have tips or hacks for reducing sugar intake, please share them in the comments below. And if you are interested in learning more about healthy lifestyle, be sure to check on our next video where we'll be sharing more tips and hacks for achieving our health goal.